How you doing, guys? Chris with Dentless Touch. So today we have a 26-inch long crease that I'm actually going to try to glue pull. I'm going to tell you the difficulties of actually working a crease, so let's get started. Alright guys, so these are the two tabs that I'm going to be using. You can get these at Black Plague. They're the green tabs, the crease tabs that they do sell. This is the same tab, I just cut it down. When you actually apply glue to the entire area, it really doesn't pull the edges as much, but we're going to try it. Every dent is different, so we're going to try it this time. So if you can see, it pulled up that crease evenly. And again, the edges, so the two edges didn't pull anything. It's only the dead center that pulls. Pretty much about a ½ inch that pulls, at least on this particular repair. And I think the door is high strength steel, so we're pretty much going to just work this all the way down. When you work in a crease, you want to make sure that the light is parallel. So that's why I have the light in this angle. I'm also going to check it this way because that's how the customer is going to check it. So, but I like to work the dent with the light parallel first, and I will set up a light once it starts to clean up a little bit more and most of the dent comes up. I will set the light horizontal. Vertical. So if you notice that it is high here and high here, it's kind of like a gap, and that's because I double stacked. You see it? That's because I double stacked it like this. And so what you want to do is pull here, clean it off, and then pull kind of like another ½ inch instead of going inch by inch. So you pull here, and then you come over here, and then here instead of here, and then here. That's what you have, this little low spot in the middle. That's why. So it gets confusing because you want to glue pull this way, what it looks like. So, but if you stack them, that's how you kind of get the crease out evenly. See how that tab is? Look at that tab. Yeah. See how it's crooked?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want that. The crease actually goes. There you go. Now it's a little straighter. See?
Yeah.
That's kind of how you want it. Looking at it right now, you may want to knock down this high spot so that it doesn't restrict the flow. think it was a good idea to glue pull instead of taking the door panel off?
Probably to start, just because you got the majority of it up.
Okay.
So that way, when you go back and push, you don't have to necessarily push every inch of it, because some of it may be flat and some of it may be high, so you can just knock it down instead of having the whole thing to go through and push.
Good morning, guys. This is day 2. So on this repair, I wanted to get some fresh eyes on it. It was a long crease. I want to make sure I got everything out. So let me just show you what's left. It's about 7:45 in the morning. Let me show you what's left. I really hope you guys can see this. Not much. I'll probably have this car back together in about an hour, hour and a half. We did take the door panel out. I'll show you guys that. Wasn't hard, but we didn't get much access by taking that apart, but it is what it is. So this repair was done probably about 98% all glue. There was one little 4-inch area that we were able to actually get a tool on, but other than that, it's all glue. So let's get started. Alright guys, the customer is about to pick up and I wanted to show you the finished product. Hopefully you guys can see like it was a natural. There you have it, guys. Another great repair by Dentless Touch. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more content, and thanks for watching.